This is one of those kitchen tools you don't think much about until you use a really good one. Right out of the box, this can opener feels solid. It's got a nice weight to it, the stainless steel finish looks clean, and everything about it feels well made. I use coconut milk all the time for recipes, so let me show you how it actually performs. The turning knob is smooth and easy to control, and the blade locks in cleanly. As you go around the can, you can feel the precision. It's not fighting you or slipping, but what really stands out is the smooth cutting. The lid comes off cleanly without those rough, jagged edges you get from cheaper openers. It just feels safer and more refined. And my favorite feature is the magnet that comes with it. Once the lid is cut, it lifts it right off. There's no need to touch it or fish it out. It's simple, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. So overall, I really like that it's comfortable to hold, easy to turn, and feels like it's built to last. If you cook regularly, this is the kind of tool that just makes your routine smoother.